So here we are again. www.bg.house is proud to offer this commercial property for sale. Shop for sale. Palamartsa was a prior bakery for sale with a little old shop in village Palamartsa, which is just 8 kilometers away from Popovo town, area Targovishte. The property needs a large amount of work. Water and electricity are available. The bakery is 200 square meters and has 870 square meters of land. Next to the bakery there is a little old shop, 40 square meters with 475 square meters of land. The village is nice and friendly and has shops, a bar, a library, and a restaurant. Expat families are in a village. Palamartsa is 80 kilometers away from Ruse town and Veliko Tarnovo, 165 kilometers to Varna. This property is being offered for sale by Joanna from www.bg.house. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have interest in properties for sale in Bulgaria, then contact us today.